Hey, it's Michelle Masacchio with Fit Money CPA, where we propel veterinarians to their wildest dreams practices through hindsight, insight, and foresight. Hope you guys are having a great day. Hope you're staying warm. Uh, Want to shout out to the Northeast. Keeping you in mind. That's a lot of snow up there. Hope you're dealing with it well, and the cold as well. So hearts going out to you. Let us know if we can do anything for you. So I wanted to talk to you today about how you can leverage me for 2025, how you can leverage your CPA. And again, would love to talk to you about being your CPA so we can walk through all of these items together. So the first thing I wanted to chat about is the financial strategic planning. Now, when some people hear financial planning, they think of investment advising and retirement planning. So we don't actually do that. I think that if you're both an investment advisor and a CPA, you're pulling too tight on that cord. I think there's a line of ethics there that may or may not be crossed. Again, that's my opinion. There are some people that do it great, and I'm happy for them. I just don't feel comfortable being an investment advisor and a CPA. But when I'm talking about financial strategic planning, I'm talking about your cash flow analysis. How are you going to be able to pay for that loan 10 months down the road and every month in between? We want to talk about your tax optimization. We are very fortunate to live in the country in which we do. And as part of that, we have the pleasure of paying taxes. Now, we don't want to pay any more than we absolutely should. So going through that tax optimization is how we can lower your tax liability legally and keep everything on the up and up. Another thing that how you leverage me is through compliance and risk management. So obviously with the tax returns due, that's a compliance aspect. That's something you have to do. It's not the most fun thing to go through, and it's required, as we know. And how we can help you is alleviate that potential risk, because we are here if the IRS asks any question. We have a client that we're working with right now that she has received a notice from the IRS that the tax return wasn't filed on time. Well, we have documentation that the tax return was filed, and we can communicate with the IRS. And that, again, that's exactly what we're doing, trying to alleviate her angst for getting those notices. And trust me, folks, when I see something from the IRS in the mail, my heart rate and blood pressure go up. So I totally understand what you're going through, but I'm here to help you kind of ease through that and take that burden off of you. We certainly act as your business advisory services. Again, I've often talked about being your partner as opposed to just your CPA. We want to walk side by side with you as you are growing your practice. And there are some things that we can look at from a higher view that, since you're in the weeds every day, we might have a better advantage, a viewpoint of that. So, again, leverage me, utilize me. The performance monitoring. We can help set up some guidelines for your staff, how you can bonus them out. If you don't want to bonus them out, how do you keep them engaged? So things like that is what people don't think about when they think about their CPA, but those are certainly items that we can help you with. And again, we're more than happy to help you with it. Drop your questions in the comments, reach out to us. We are here for you to leverage.